I want to show you my bike setup, what I have on my bike, what bags. So let's look closer to it. On the front rack is a Big River 20 liters. It's a C2 Summit bag. I keep here tent post as well. So inside is a sleeping bag, some clothes. Here is a the limit for the front rack is 7 kilograms. I keep around 4 kilograms. On a fork, I have Salsa HD cages, 3 kilograms. They can hold 3 kilograms, and Salsa bags, they 4.5 liters. On a down tube, I have a Blackburn outpost cage, which is fixed to the. If you look closer here, you can see this is a wolf tooth B-Rad free mount. It's another mount for the bosses, that I can move the bottle slightly downward, so you can place eventually a bigger bottles around here, so you can fit even 2 liters bottles now. Center of the bike is it's a frame bag and top tube bags made by the same company, 7 Roads Workshop. Very good company from Ukraine. They do really good waterproof bags. Stem bags are exactly same company, 7 Roads Workshop, Packs and Panniers. These stem bags, they can hold, in my case, they can hold camel bag, 0.7 liter. So let's look to top tube bags. They made some nice stickers. This is the 7R logo. That's me. Of course, that's my YouTube channel. So I keep here, this is waterproof as well. I keep here some accessories at the moment for GoPro. Here I keep snacks, 2 separate bags, as you can see. This is an Nalgene bottle inside, 1 liter. Yeah, just to secure it against the mud, really, because you pick up a lot of stuff from the road, like this. Just look at this, it's a whole mess. Anyway, let's go back to rear rack. Oh, and what I've changed on this bike as well is a saddle, which is a B17 standard Brooks, and a handlebar. The handlebar is 175 centimeters width, with biggest grips, they 200 mils. This is the Jones H loop bar. The GPS is Garmin eTrix. Here is my poncho, very useful. I will leave all the links in the description, what items I have, what sleeping bag and so on. Here I have not used for a very long time Revelate Designs Terrapin 14 liters dry bag, so I keep inside the tent, which is, this one is around 1.4 kilograms, because tent poles, they weigh maybe 700 grams. I mean, the whole tent is like 2.2 kilograms. It's a Nature Hike Monga 2P. So these harnesses are the Trek design as well. The bags are C2 Summit, 8 liters, very good bags, waterproof, very strong bags. So same one is on the other side. This monkey, I found this monkey on today's trip, so just my trophy. And what I keep here is my cooking stove, and in the other bag is literally a food. So yeah, that's my Trek 1120. It's a nice bike, can't complain. 29 plus tires. So yeah. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, click the like button, and I see you next time.